outside the freeze, I could see your breath. Mouth was shaking. You said I can hear your teeth. I hope this isn't hell for you. I'm trying to let this be a full now. You know that this is hell for me. Just want this to be more than it is right.
Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Empress Kitchen. And today we'll be doing something from the southeast. It's called Ofe Onugbu. What is Ofe? I went to go and learn it. Said Ofe is soup and Onugbu is bitter leaf. So you'll be wondering, you want to cook bitter leaf and you'll be telling yourself it's going to be bitter. No. And some people are like, it's too stressful to wash bitter leaf. Today I'm going to show you how seamless and stressless it's going to be. So I'll put you through. We are going to just boil it for some minutes, and afterwards you wash for just 5 minutes, and that's it. The bitterness is gone. But then you can't cook bitter leaf without having the taste of bitter leaf. It's going to be slightly bitter, but not too bitter, because even when you eat bitter leaf, the end product or the end taste is sweetness. So bitter leaf soup is not bitter.
Let us run through the ingredients we have available. So we have our cocoyam, we have our dry fish, goat meat, we have palm oil, seasoning powder, we have okporoko, we have the yellow habanero pepper. I like to mix yellow habanero and the red one. I mean, there's this taste and the vibe it gives me, so I love to mix it. We have salt, we have pomo, we have crayfish, periwinkle, which is optional, and we have the leaf itself, which is bitter leaf, the onugbu.
We start by boiling our goat meat. Boil our stockfish with it. I mean, okporoko and stockfish. Then this, our blackfish. So another thing I would not do in this video is boiling my cocoyam with my goat meat. I'm going to boil it separate because we don't know if the cocoyam is not thoroughly washed.
So the first thing to do is just to go in with my goat meat, momo, okporoko, and some seasoning powder, then some salt to taste, some yellow pepper. Actually, I like to boil everything together, not to waste time, you understand. While boiling my goat meat and my proteins, let's put it that way, I'm going to be boiling my bitter leaf for just 5 minutes. And why we are boiling it is to make it seamless in washing. That's just the reason. So when you boil your bitter leaf first, or you pour in hot water, very hot water, then you put some cold water with it. It makes it seamless to wash. It doesn't have any bitter taste. And while doing that as well, I'm boiling my cocoyam. So we are doing everything simultaneously. Guys, what if I tell you that Ofe Onugbu and Oha soup are like the same? The only thing that is different is just the leaf. You use Oha soup, Oha for the Oha soup, Oha leaf, and use bitter leaf or Onugbu for bitter leaf soup. So I go in with some pepper and I go in with some seasoning powder. Then I check my cocoyam our cocoyam is ready. So we can blend it, you can pound it, you can blend it, but we are using food processor here in the studio so that to make it fast. And trust me, everything is going to set at the same time. And you can come to the studio to come and have some yummy Ofe Onugbu. So we go in with our palm oil and we cover so that the they can dissolve. And now, trust me, you don't want to come to the studio. Come on, this soup is a bang. Then after that, we go in with the washed bitter leaf and we go in with our periwinkle last because periwinkle does not need too much heat. It just needs some heat and it's ready. Ah, this soup is so yummy, so yummy. And we are pairing it today with gari. For of this video, you can like, share, click and subscribe to Dr. Shina Aladejubelo TV on YouTube and on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more beautiful contents. See ya next time.